Hi, good evening, friends. Welcome to Art of Trading. Tomorrow we will now discuss the Nifty key level for tomorrow, that is 20th of October, that is Tuesday. So this is the level which I have given for tomorrow. I have given only one level, that is the sell level. Why sell level? Because today Nifty ended again in a bullish way. So tomorrow what we can expect in Nifty is, see, Nifty closed around 11,890 or 11,900. So my sell is 100%, that is 100 points above today's close, that is 12,000. So my prediction is, let's say tomorrow if there is a gap up or there is a 50-60 points gap up, again Nifty will go and test this 12,000. Will go and test this 12,000 resistance level, which is a dynamic resistance level. So multiple number of times it has the resistance level has rejected the price and it has come low. So I'm expecting tomorrow also, if Nifty, provided if Nifty comes and trades at 12,000 level. Okay, so if it is not coming and trading at that level, please don't go and sell Nifty. Okay, so only if Nifty comes around this level, 12,000 level, look out for some good confirmations, strong confirmations, price action reversals. Then only, if there is any chance on the sell side, please enter or short Nifty below 12,000 for up to a target of 11,900 and 11,850. That is this channel end. Okay, this channel end. So this is on the sell side, and what we can expect on the buy side. Why I'm not given on the buy side? Because Nifty is trading in between this channel. Okay, in between this pink channel, as you can see here. So let's say tomorrow again Nifty opens around 11,900 and the market is positive, then from here it has a high chance that it will go and trade till here the 12,000. So again further, if the momentum is very strong on the buy side, there are chances that Nifty again it may go and trade up to beyond 12,000 and reach all the way to here, that is 12,150. There are chances. So my levels are at 12,000. There is a chance of reversal, so look out for those chance, look out for any confirmation, then only short Nifty. Okay, so the one level is shorting Nifty around 12,000, or finding any buying opportunity if the market is very bullish, and if it goes and breaks this 12,000, then you can buy Nifty above 12,000 up to a target of 12,150. Okay, 12,150 on the buy side. Okay, so this was on the sell and the buy side. So look out for this very crucial level, that is 12,000. This is a very crucial, a very important level, because at these places only market tends to hit the stop losses of the retail traders. They make retail traders confused at these kind of levels, so one should be very cautious on these levels. So only I keep on telling, one should learn price action strategies, learn fundamentals, then only you have to enter, because once crossing Nifty above 12,000, it's not that Nifty will all the way, it will go and touch 12,150, nothing like that. It may go up and it may make a fake move, and again it may come all the way. So to how to recognize the fake moves, how to recognize the fake breakouts, how to find the reversals, how to predict on which side Nifty or any stocks is going to move. So all such things you can learn from price action scalping strategy, which is my own strategy. So more information on that, you can contact me or WhatsApp me on my number. And for more videos like this, you can subscribe my YouTube channel also. And friends out there, you want to just join my free channel and watch my calls, my accuracy, my screenshot of my calls also, they can join my free Telegram channel. The link will be given in the description. Okay, thank you guys. Meet you with one more key video of Nifty tomorrow in the evening. Okay, bye, take care.